Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the cosmos to uncover some of the most mind-blowing facts about space. Buckle up because this is going to be an astronomical journey. We're going to explore everything from silent stars to diamond planets. Get ready to have your mind blown wide open as we journey through the vast expanse of our universe. So if you're ready to unlock the secrets of the cosmos, sit back, relax, and prepare to have your mind blown. Did you know that space is completely silent? That's right. No matter how epic those sci-fi space battles sound in the movies, in reality they'd be eerily quiet. You see, sound waves need a medium to travel, like air or water. But in the vacuum of space, there's nothing for those waves to vibrate. So if you were to step out into space, spacesuit on of course, you wouldn't hear a peep, even if a supernova exploded right next to you. Now, you might think that the hottest planet in our solar system is Mercury, being the closest to the Sun and all, but you'd be wrong. The title of the hottest planet actually goes to Venus. Venus has a super dense atmosphere, mostly made up of carbon dioxide, which traps heat like nobody's business. This runaway greenhouse effect makes the surface of Venus hot enough to melt lead. So much for a tropical vacation spot. Here's a fun fact for you. On Venus, a day is actually longer than a year. Yep, you heard that right. Venus spins so slowly that it takes about 243 Earth days to do a full spin. But get this, Venus zooms around the Sun way faster, finishing an orbit in about 225 Earth days. So a year on Venus is actually shorter than a day. Talk about a mind bender. Have you ever walked along a beach, looked at the endless grains of sand and thought, wow, that's a lot of sand? Well, get this. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the Earth's beaches combined. We're talking billions upon billions of stars in our galaxy alone, and there are billions upon billions of galaxies out there. The sheer vastness of the universe is enough to make your head spin faster than a pulsar. Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, is a bit of an oddball when it comes to days. You see, this little planet takes its sweet time rotating on its axis. In fact, it takes a whopping 59 Earth days for Mercury to complete one rotation. That means a single day on Mercury lasts almost 2 Earth months. Can you imagine having a day that long? You'd have plenty of time to get things done, that's for sure. Diamonds are a girl's best friend, right? Well, if you're a girl who loves bling, then you'll love this next fact. Astronomers have discovered a planet that's made mostly of pure, crystallized carbon. Now, under the intense pressure deep within this planet, that carbon is compressed into a giant sparkling diamond. We're talking a diamond bigger than Earth. Someone get Beyoncé on the phone. We've got a planet to mine. We've got mountains here on Earth, sure, but they pale in comparison to the behemoth volcanoes on Mars. Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in our solar system, is so massive that it dwarfs Mount Everest. We're talking a volcano so wide that it would cover the entire state of Arizona. And the best part? Since Mars doesn't have plate tectonics like Earth, Olympus Mons just kept erupting in the same spot for millions of years, building up that colossal size. Calling all cocktail enthusiasts, did you know that there's a giant cloud of alcohol floating around in space? It's true, this massive cloud, known as Sagittarius B2, contains enough alcohol to make trillions upon trillions of cosmos-sized cocktails. But here's the catch. It's mostly made up of methanol, which isn't exactly the kind of alcohol you want to be sipping on. Still, it's a pretty wild thought, isn't it? Neutron stars are some of the densest objects in the universe, formed when massive stars collapse in on themselves. And these stellar remnants are not just dense, they're also spinning like crazy. Some neutron stars, known as pulsars, can rotate hundreds of times per second. That's faster than the blades of a kitchen blender. Just imagine the forces involved. It boggles the mind. When Neil Armstrong took that giant leap for mankind on the moon back in 1969, he left behind more than just memories. He left footprints. And those footprints, along with the tracks from the lunar rover and other equipment, are still there today, perfectly preserved. That's because the moon has no atmosphere to speak of, so there's no wind or rain to erode those iconic marks. They'll be there for millions of years, a testament to humanity's first steps on another world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more fascinating space facts. See you next time. There's so much more to discover out there in the vast expanse of the cosmos. From black holes to supernovas, the universe is full of mind-blowing wonders just waiting to be explored. So keep looking up at the stars, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the universe around us. Until next time, space fans.